When leaves and debris block your gutters, water can't drain properly. That water freezes, creating ice dams that force water under your shingles and straight into your home. We're talking thousands in water damage to your roof, walls, and foundation. Here's a pro tip. Pressure washing your gutters before the first freeze removes all that built up debris fast and prevents those costly ice dams from forming. The key to winter-ready gutters is getting them completely clear. While temperatures are still above freezing, don't wait until it's too late. Need some pressure washing? Leave an inquiry at www.slon.org.